Huawei has finally launched the most anticipated wearable of 2026, the Watch GT Runner 2. After 2 years of complete silence on why the company discontinued the GT Runner lineup, Watch GT Runner 2 comes in dawn orange, dusk blue, and midnight black colors. Starting with its look, the Watch GT Runner 2 has a giant circular dial, housed in a geometric frame. It is an ultra-slim and lightweight running watch, promising a soft and comfortable feel on runners' wrists so they can perform efficiently without facing discomfort. Watch GT Runner 2 features a 1.32-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a 43.5mm casing. The display is rated at 3000 nits peak local brightness and is protected by second-generation Kunlun glass. The GT Runner 2 featuring a titanium casing and metal bezel. The watch weighs 43.5 grams and is 10.7mm thick while boasting water resistance up to 40 m depths. It features a 540 mAh CC battery rated at up to 14 days with light usage and 32 hours with continuous GPS use. Watch GT Runner 2 gets Huawei's latest TrueSense sensor and algorithm suite, which tracks vitals like heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, ECG, respiratory rate, sleep and stress. The Watch GT Runner 2 retails at £350. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.